Hello. So here I have tested again the every function, everything, and I have edited two things in the code. That is, one is if the sensor is unconnected, this sensor is unconnected or the sensor is burned, then the device will automatically, the four LED will glow on and the device will stop immediately. This is safety issue number one, and number two is uh, I reduce the delay time for the power on off button. So now it will work as like this button. I mean, you can press it, it will on and off. Okay. And have to look the issue, the sensor has to be connected or contacted to the surface of the etc device, otherwise the here will be the temperature measure error. So it is best to contact, uh, if the sensor has to be contacted to the etc surface. Okay, now I am playing it. Look here, on button, this is power on. Now for the 65, the LED status is red, that means working. So the sensor is connected, it is getting the value, that's why it is running, otherwise it will off automatically. So yes, look, the LED is green, that means it reached the full temperature. Now it is stopped. Now if I, now it is run again and stop. If I want to stop it, just one press, that everything is stopped. Look, the LED status is off. Okay, now again for the 90-degree temperature. Okay, for 90, working LED is red. Okay, this is sensor. Now if I want to off this, off, the LED is off, that means the device is off. Now again for the 110 temperature, this is timer enabled for the 40 minutes. After 40 minutes it will go to 90 degree. So device is on, working mode. It will take time to reach 110. Yes, reached. For the LED status, green is reached. Okay, now if I want to off it, then just press. So everything is okay. Here some issue has to be I mention once again, that is, here is a wire. Look, a wire, this wire is connected to the updated PCB cover, just one wire connection. And after I send the prototype, this wire is a prototype wire actually, so this is not a good wire. So I think you have to arrange this type of wire, which is a white wire, I think, and you have to solder it, so that the every connection will be connected properly, should be connected here. And here I mark the every connection name. Look, here is the name, which wire will connect it to this device. Here is all the name. Or if you having an issue, just let me know, I will help you. Thank you all, and please let me know when I will ship you the device prototype. Thank you.